students, hope you're enjoying your vacations and taking care of yourself as well. Today we are again doing our grammar work and our third unit is verbs. Verbs are, as we know, that these are action words. Every time you are performing some action, whether you are sitting, you are standing, you are sleeping, you are eating, you are running, you are doing anything, any time you are doing something, and this is called an action, and every action has a name. That name is known as verb in our grammar. All the names of any action you are performing, these are words. No, these words are known as verbs. Like eat. If you are eating anything, you eat anything. Eat is a verb because it's an action. Run, an action, a verb. Sleep, swimming, dancing, eating. You need to remember that the word referring here any action without ing are also verb, but the words referring here any action with ing are also verbs. So these two words or these two types of words both are verbs. Now we will move to our book and solve different exercises. Okay students, like our previous two units, our third unit will also start with the definition. The definition of a verb is, a verb tells us about an action performed by a noun or a pronoun. Anything or any person which is doing an action and performing any action, that action is known by a word that is known as a verb. A verb tells us about an action, verb हमें बताएगा उस action के बारे में, performed by a noun or a pronoun जो किसी noun से perform किया जा रहा हो. A verb is an action word, just as I have told you that action words performing any action, the words are known as verb. Verbs examples: come, go, run, walk, sleep. These all are actions. So these words referring to any actions are known as verbs. Now rewrite the definition, but again learn the definition from above and then write it. Don't look at above and then write, just learn it and then write it. And our first exercise is identify the words, verbs and circle them. You have different sentences here. You need to identify the verbs and then circle them. He is drinking water. Drinking is here the action word. It's a verb, circle it. My brother is playing in the garden. So brother is doing an action, he is playing. Playing is the verb here, you need to circle it. We are reading books in the library. Reading is the action word. I wash my hands before every meal. Washing something, washing your hands, it's an action, and the word referring to that action is here wash. So it's a verb, circle it. They are watching a movie. Watching is our verb here. The dog chases everyone. Chases is the verb here. My cat jumps over a wall. So circle jumps here. I write on my notebook. Write is the verb here. We respect our teachers. Respect is also an action word. Circle it. I eat my lunch at school. Eat is the verb here. Circle it. In our next section, we need to choose the suitable verbs and fill in the blanks. We have different words here in this box and we need to choose one for the specific blanks in these sentences. Let's read the words. Let's dash football. Football is being played, so the play is here our verb and we will write it here. Sana dash a book. Sana reads a book. Sadia dash very fast. Sadia runs very fast. Can you dash the ball? Can you catch the ball? Amir dash his teeth daily. Amir brushes his teeth daily. Now move to the next page, and here we have a very lengthy task. You need to look at the pictures. You need to what action is being played in the picture, and you need to make a sentence and write it here. In the first picture, we have a girl who is cooking or baking something. So we will make a sentence just like this. Which one is made up here? A girl is cooking. You can make your own sentence, but use the word cook in your sentence, as this is our specific verb for this. In the next picture, there is a Mickey Mouse who is painting. So we can make a sentence, Mickey Mouse paints a picture. In the third, there is a boy who is riding a bicycle, and our word is here ride. I am riding a bicycle. In the fourth picture, our word is write, and we can see in the picture that a little boy is writing something. So you can make the sentence, I write my work. In the fifth picture, the word we are given here is exercise, and there is a girl who is doing some exercise. So we can say the girl or the boy, you can write anything here, the boy is exercising. Okay, you can make your own sentences as well, but we have given it here for your help. But in the last of the page, you can find different words here, and you need to learn the spellings because these can help you in your writing work. With this, we are done with our unit 3, and I hope you will learn it by heart for your exams. Allah Hafiz.